Hi, this is Litre Total Parts Pro. Today the 2012 Nissan Navara, stock number 6681. This ran from the 5th 2010 to the 8th 2015. It has a YD25 2.5 litre 4-cylinder turbo diesel engine backed by 5-speed automatic transmission. This is a YD25 2.5 litre 4-cylinder turbo diesel engine. Left front 17-inch factory automatic tyre, left hand door mirror, left front and left rear door no dents, left rear 17-inch factory automatic tyre, left hand taillight, rear tailgate 1 dent, right rear 17-inch factory automatic tyre, right rear door no dents, right front door 2 dents, right front door mirror, right front guard, right front 17-inch factory automatic tyre, right front door card, right front master switch, centre console lid, automatic air shifter, heater AC controls, interior mirror, front courtesy light for sunglass holder, rear front sun visor, right front sun visor, factory 3-spoke vinyl steering wheel, instrument cluster,